Hi everyone, and welcome to week 15. Gosh, we are getting super close. We're almost there. We're almost to the end. So what do we need to be working on? Well, let's go ahead and look at your study resources. So you've got correlations in Minitab, simple linear regressions in Minitab, and your assumptions of linear regressions, and your Minitab example for simple linear regression. So you've got a lot of really useful videos this week. So make sure you review all of this information. These resources are going to really help you as you go through and do the homework, work on your stuff for the project, and do the quiz for this week. So what do you actually have? So the linear regression homework, if we take a look at that one, it's similar to what you've done before, where it is a homework, so you can go in and out as much as you want, but don't submit until you're really done. So here's the Minitab file, here's the data dictionary, and you will definitely want to have gone through how to do the correlation and simple linear regression in Minitab before you do that. So you'll want to go through all of this stuff before you do this linear regression homework. You do not want to attempt it without going through it. But once you're done with that, it should then help you do your Project 4 linear regression. So for Project 4, you're going to be then taking the data that you collected last week and you're going to be doing the linear regression. So the thing here though is that you're going to have to answer the questions below for all 5 predictor variables. So that means here 1 through 5 you're doing 5 times. Once you're done with that, you then want to actually answer, after doing all of your simple linear regressions, look at the data and determine which single predictor variable appears to be the best predictor for your response variable. Briefly write out your findings for this, and then make sure to include your Minitab file, so that way it's just easier for me when I go to grade. So you don't want to do this one until you've done this one. So this one first, and then this one. Then you also have scientific studies with John Oliver. Hopefully this one is a fun one. So for this one, you're going to be watching this clip, Scientific Studies with John Oliver, and then discussing the following questions. Personally, I love this video. I laugh and I smile and I sigh every time I watch it. And so I hope that you guys enjoy it as well. So I hope it's an enjoyable one for you. Then moving on, Chapter 5, Quiz 3. So this one normally isn't too bad. It normally is a semi-decent one for students, but you really want to have gone through all of the information in the week 14. This is week 15. So ignore that. I'm going to have to go through and tweak that, and going to have to put week 15 in there. But you definitely want to have gone through all of this stuff in week 15 before you try for the quiz. But normally most of my students find this quiz not to be too bad, so hopefully it's not too bad for you either. But there is a lot going on this week. So I know we're closing in at the end, but you know, you can do it. You can. So just keep pushing through and let me know if I can help.